Nitration of phenols. Nitration is always carried out in the presence of nitric acid, which provide nitronium ion as an electrophile. Phenols react with nitric acid in two conditions: dilute nitric acid. When phenol reacts with dilute nitric acid, it gives orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, that is monosubstituted product. Since we know the nitric acid can be written in this manner, for the explanation, the hydrogen, one of the hydrogen of ortho position will combine with the hydroxyl group of nitric acid to form water molecule, and the nitronium ion is left on the ortho position. Same situation will take place, same condition will take place at para position also. So in this way, nitration takes place. Since the para product, ortho and para product both are formed in the same reaction, so they are separated by the volatile steam distillation method. They are separated by steam distillation method. Steam distillation method takes the profit of the volatile nature of orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol is more volatile than paranitrophenol. It depends on the types of hydrogen bonding present in the molecule. Orthonitrophenol contains intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding means the hydrogen bonding is found within the molecule. For example, the oxygen of nitro group, and the hydrogen of hydroxyl group forms the bond with each other, hydrogen bond with each other. Since the bond is formed within the molecule, therefore it is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. In paranitrophenol, one molecule of paranitrophenol is associated with the second molecule of paranitrophenol through the hydrogen bonding, the oxygen of nitro group and the hydrogen of hydroxyl group. So two molecules are associated by the hydrogen bond. So this types of hydrogen bonding is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So in orthonitrophenol, the neighboring molecules are bonded with weak intermolecular force. So therefore it is more volatile, and paranitrophenol is less volatile. Or we can say that its boiling point is, the boiling point of orthonitrophenol is less as comparative to the boiling point of paranitrophenol. So orthonitrophenol is more volatile and paranitrophenol is less volatile, and the boiling point of orthonitrophenol is less and the boiling point of paranitrophenol is high. The second condition in which the phenol reacts with nitric acid is the concentrated nitric acid. When phenols react with concentrated nitric acid, it gives tri-substituted product, that is trinitrophenol. So trinitrophenol is also called as picric acid commonly. So the hydrogen of ortho position, para position, and again ortho position get replaced by the nitronium ion. So concluding the video, we can say dilute nitric acid gives, on reaction with phenol, gives monosubstituted product, and when phenols react with concentrated nitric acid, it gives tri-substituted phenol. This is also called as picric acid.